Welcome back. Uy, naku,
Welcome back to you,
literal na. Ano niyo ba, literal na cowboy na nga ngayon si Drew Arellano na panay ang pangangabayo sa El Caballo Equestrian Center.
Uy, pero balita namin ha, no match daw si Drew sa mga bago niyang nakilala doon.
Wow.
Mga kids as young as 8 years old, nangangabayo na daw.
Aba, sige nga, Drew. Ipakilala mo sa amin ang mga kiddie cowboys dyan.
Kitty Cowboys.
Hurry, everybody, come on, off your seats. I'm gonna tell you about a beat that's gonna make you move your feet. I'll give the barbecue show.
Howdy! Welcome back mga kapuso. Nandito tayo ngayon sa El Caballo. Nagbabalik tayo sa El Caballo Equestrian Center. At kasama ko ngayon ang mga long-time equestrians. Yes? Tama ba yan? Is it equestrian or equestrian? Anyway, we have Gabby here. Hi, Gabby.
Hi.
Gabby is 11 years old. Diba? At kasama natin ngayon si Victoria. Victoria is 30 years old. No, you're not. Oh, use your mic. How old are you?
11.
11 also. Wow. Itong mga kasama ko ay medyo matagal na rin nangangabayo. Gabi, gaano katagal ka na sumasakay ng kabayo?
3 taon.
Talagang pinilit mo talaga mag-Tagalog, no? So, 3 years ka na sumasakay. Whoa. Why horses? Is it because of your parents? Why you got to like riding horses, Victoria?
Because our dad was riding and it looked fun.
Because of your dad. Didn't you get scared at first?
A little bit.
Just a little bit. And then, medyo nasanay ka na after a bit. Or I will translate it to English. And then you got used to riding a horse. So the fear totally gone.
I'm still a little scared.
You're still a little scared. Is that the reason why you're kind of stiff now? No, you're not scared anymore. I bet you can jump now. Gabby!
Yes.
Hi!
Hi.
Okay, do you know any tricks or stunts you can do with your horse?
No.
Just ride and say cheese to the camera, yeah? You told me that you have a horse already.
Yes.
Yes. What's the name of your horse?
Moon dance.
Moon Dance. How big is your horse?
Maybe as tall as this one
As tall as this guy
or smaller.
or smaller. How do you take care of your horse? Is it like parang taking care of your aso, your dog?
Yes.
You pet your dog also? You pet your horse? You ride your dog also?
No.
You don't ride your dog. Okay, let's gallop away, Gabby. Victoria, ride with me. I think this is the start of a beautiful friendship. Yeah.
Boom, clap, boom, clap, clap. Boom, clap, boom, clap, clap. Throw it all together, that's how we roll.
Maraming salamat sa aking mga sponsors. Jelly Bean for my clothes. Revlon for my makeup.
Maraming salamat sa aking sponsors. Jelly Bean, Dr. Jean Marquez.
Maraming salamat sa aking sponsor. For my clothes, Memo.
Mula sa